When someone asks what you do, you say, "I manage parking." And they say, "Oh, that must be easy." Right. Honey, this job is anything but easy. You gotta handle sales and marketing, insurance and claims, maintenance. Who's got nights and weekends? What about vacations or big events? Who's handling your calls? Your staff? You? What do you do when they can't pay? Just let them park for free or bill them after the fact? How in the world do you do that? You try and read that license plate number from Greg's handwriting. Seriously, get it together, Greg. By the way, how are you supposed to know there's a problem with a card reader if no one ever tells you there's a problem with a card reader? Angry customers, angry emails, angry social media posts, bad ratings online. It's enough to drive anybody crazy. Anybody but us. Parker Technology handles over 3 million parking problems a year. It's all we do. Whether you want to answer your own calls or want us to do it for you, we help your customers pay on the spot. Parker helps with revenue collection, customer service, operating procedures, traffic flow, reporting. It's all good. Yeah, we can even help with the Gregs of the world. So the next time somebody says, "Oh, that must be easy," you can say, "You're right," because you've got us. Parker Technology, driving a better parking experience.